Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, my obsession of drawing cats grows stronger lately, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I paint a cute blue-eyed kitten. A lot of artists make animal painting their primary field, often as a result of a deep fascination with wildlife. The main problem with cats is that they don't stay in one position for long, which makes it difficult or impossible to complete the painting. So I, like most people, I guess, work from photos and usually use Pinterest for inspiration. Nowadays it's easier to find a good reference picture, but I worry sometimes. This may give the painting static quality, and so I work hard to improve my techniques. much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next week. Bye!